So the other day I dropped my phone and my phone had this really bad shake in the back camera. When I say bad shake, I mean you can literally take the phone, point it, camera would start shaking, and you could hear it. You could hear it was like a really bad shake. So in this video, I'll be addressing that shake. I don't know what is the cause of that shake. Why is it shaking? I know I dropped my phone a couple times, but I don't know why is it shaking or what made it start to shake. I did eventually find a fix for the shake. So essentially how you fix this glitch, whatever you call it, glitch, bug, whatever you call it, essentially how you fix this is you get a magnet. It could be any size, any form, shape, size, color. It just need to be a magnet. And I'm gonna use this test phone. I know it's pretty messed up. And you wanna put your magnet on this side of the phone. Put it on this side of the phone and it's gonna be like magic. Legit, less than a second, probably 5 milliseconds, and it's fixed. Stop shaking, no noise, nothing, no blurriness, nothing. When I say nothing, absolutely nothing. I want to know if it worked for you guys, and I want to know if it didn't work for you guys. So please drop a comment and let me know what happened, if it worked or if it didn't work. If it worked, thumbs up to you. If it didn't work, find a better solution, do my research, and I'll have a working fix for you guys pretty soon. So like, comment, share, subscribe. If your friends are having this problem, share this video so they can fix their phones. I know they want to take good pictures. That's all you have to do. Legit, that's all you have to do, and it fixes it with no problem. It's not actually my phone. This don't work, but I'm recording on my phone right now, so yeah. But it's real easy fix. All you gotta do is just drop it on, bam, like magic, like it didn't even happen, like it wasn't even a problem, like it wasn't even shaking.